Hello guys, today in this video you are most welcome to this OJPRD once again, and today in this video I am going to simply teach you how to make money by selling your products from your hometown simply. So first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel button, then let I going to start with this video now. First of all, what should you have to do here? Go in Google and find and search odoo.com. This will just show you this platform where you are just going to show your business, one platform where you can sell your product online from your simple store in your from hometown and from anywhere all over the world. Now first, what should you have to do here? First of all, you have to make your account here by simply go in your sign up option. Then you have to do what? You have to fill your details and your account is ready now. What should you have to do here? You have to come in start now. It's free. You have to click it. Then the another platform will open where you will see you have to choose your applications which you like to use in this platform to sell your products online. Now what should you have to do here? Let I tell you one thing, that when you are doing the business, so there are a lot of the tools which you have to require, but for that you have to pay it 580 rupees monthly. But choosing only one application from this whole Odoo apps, so it will be completely free. Nothing you have to just pay by this single choosing a platform if you choose one only platform app of the Odoo. So I am going to show you. If you want to start your business, so first of all you have to click in the e-commerce website and you have to just click here continue. After this, what should you have to do here? Simply you have to create this thing and then you have to go here in your account and go in my database. After this, you will see here like this, you will show your content here which actually you have made from the e-commerce website. After choosing this, you have find that your platform is looking like that. Now you have to click here connect and use to choose your logo here which you have to display on your website. Let for the example, let's I show you. There is shopping30.odoo.com. So this is my dashboard where let I describe you how it's going to be look like that. Simply you have to do what? You have to go in dashboard in website. You have to design the website first of all. So this is website how just I have designed that like this. You can see simply here is contact number, here is home, here is shop, here is contact us, here you have to put the logo here is the card is there, here is account is there, my account log it, and there contact us. All things you have to do manually by simply drag and drop here. What should you have to do now? Simply you have to go here and see the site here. In the site you will see here the properties are there. You can go through the properties, product, and you have to simply edit it. Simply you have to click in the product. Now when we click on the product, so product option will appear here. You can see you have to click here new product. So you have to mention the product name, barcode, sales price, choose the GST, how much you have to take it, and automatically it will include the GST here, website category, and save it and just upload the photo of the product. Now what should you will see there? Let I show you for the example. If you go in your site in home page, now you just look here when we go in the shop. So here see this, we have uploaded one chocolate here. It's displaying here completely and is showing the price. And what should you have to do? You have to publish it. If you don't publish it, so it will not appear in the official in the customer side. And what should you have to do here? You have to publish it first of all. To publish it, you have to click on this button publish, then only it's going to display from the customer side how much piece it will require. So you can just minimize maximize by the customer how much it required, add to card, and payment option. For the payment option, what should you have to do? In payment option, you have to go and configure the payment option. You can see here payment provider is there. Payment you have to choose it, which kind of payment provider you want to choose. There are a lot of the payment providers. Razorpay is, PayPal is more better, and Amazon payment is more better in the India. And for the another state, there are a lot of the options you can choose according to your opinion. So hope I think so this is clear for you. Now what should you have to go in your site? in your home page, and here you can easily just edit your home page by simply what should you have to do. You have to change the image and logos, text. So what should you have to do? You have to choose the right hand side edit button. You have to click it here, edit, and now you can just easily drag and drop the things and the tools to just make your website easier according to design, according to your opinion. So you can just see customization is available here, themes is available here, everything is available here. Choose according to your opinion, you just edit it and just make your website according to your use. This thing is very useful for you, these tools are very useful for you. Choose make your website according to your design, your opinion. Now I think so, is this clear for you now? And finally I am going to come back here and I am just going to tell you, this is our dashboard. We are clicking this dashboard. Here we will see the analytics, how much our quotations, order, revenue is generated, and how much the revenue is making. Here is invoice. You can just generate the invoice here simply. This is a very good functionality. This is the app here. What the apps you are required extra at the beginning, I have just show you here. This you have to install it, and other than in setting is there. Now what should you have to do? You have to come back to your profile again. You can see here my database. In the my database you will see here is the options here. Now what should you have to do? You have to go in my account. In my account you will see what actually the orders will come, that will just show you here in the directly in your in account, your orders. You will see when the customer will place order, he will purchase your item and product. So you will just see here orders, and here your invoice, here task, here time sheets, here the connectivity. So I think so this video is very much helpful for you and for your startup of your business. I think so you just got an idea on roadmap how you have to just start with the odoo.com. I think so if it is useful for you. So for more inquiry, any question, any problem, you can just directly contact me, or maybe just simply just text me box in the comment in my comment box, and I will just reach you finally there. I will just going to reply you there. So I think so hope this video is very helpful for you. So don't forget to share this video to your helping friends and your helping members who is going to facing the problem of their financials and not having the work for herself, himself, and everything be okay and fine. And fine, look you in the next video now. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching us. Don't forget to tell me about this video, how this video is very much helpful for you or not. So bye bye, take care, have a good day, and look you in the next video. Have a good day.